Customer, which kind of thing be that? Why you go push me now?
Hey, relax.
Everything I do they play. Where do they worry you?
I'll be right back.
You go do fast too. Because small thing and I go say I shout to the get pepper body.
Relax and be romantic. No problem. Hey, meet my husband.
Who are you? Boss, agree to. You're welcome.
Babe, you know the fantasy you'll be talking about that you wanted to do? And you know today is your birthday, so I got it for you.
Whoa!
Do whatever you want to do with him. Make sure you have fun. It's your birthday and I got you.
What will I do without you, my love?
Nothing.
Madam, me no understand wetin dey happen. Wetin dey sup?
Calm down.
Hey, relax, okay? And be a good boy.
Because my baby is my life.
Shaman, I beg. Me never know wetin dey happen. Wetin dey happen here?
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Hey!
This man.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
Madam, you go do fast too. Na short time now you pay for, and I no get plenty time to waste. Did you hear me? Meanwhile, no romance, no kissing, and straight to the point.
I don't hear you. Fine boy. Why your blood dey hot? Come.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
I beg, give me 1 minute here. I go come.
Madam, you don't start to. I go vex comot to. Small thing I go dey say, I shall to the get pepper body. Don't waste my time. I don't get time to waste.
I beg you. I dey come. Oh. I dey like am from back home. Give me back.
For how much will you pay with all the Celestine? I bet open leg. Customer when they pay one and I just the stress person pass. I bet time up.
Take me where I know quick do this thing.
Which kind of nonsense be that one? How many times you want to do me? How much you even pay?
Do you? Wetin dey talk about?
Not be you do me finish just now.
Me do you? Let's say they mad. Me wey comot now go find wetin go wear. Make we for do this thing. They tell me say I do you. Oga do wear something more do wetin want do.
Madam, not be you do me. Who I call open leg for?
Oga, I can't bet.
Madam, I beg no verse. Now you are one do.
No. I'm my other sister.
Madam, now time una dey waste. I work with time. Not when I go come verse come out and I go say I shall to get pepper body.
You cancel. Fine boy.
I beg call me who I want do. Madam. Now you are one do.
No, no be me. No, neither start dey come. Na she go do. Just relax.
The blood of Jesus. Mommy,
Sister, see who will bring for you.
Ha!
You don't like him? This will not be your spec. I want to do an now.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Okay.
Thunder fire
You
you.
manage him. Do.
what do you mean by
I
that?
think they hear him. She say she like kissing where.
I'm sorry for all of you.
She say you kiss him for 1 hour, 40 minutes. Sister, come climb.
Climb which bed? Not try am. Not try am. I beg. Muna send account. make I do refund. I not do again.
Bros, if you know the kind family where we be, you no go dey talk of refund.
See, ma tell you. Now our elder sister be this. We know they use and take play.
How she?
Na 47 years old she be.
Not true.
She never do before. She no know man. She be virgin. That's why we pay you well to come deliver. So this one when they talk, I don't understand. Sister, I know say you never do one before. I will pay you small, but you go enjoy am.
No problem.
Jesus. This man.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
Ashawo, awusha, awusha, ashawo, ashawo, awusha, boom, boom.
Customer, check her now.
Customer, you go enjoy me, oh.
Baby. No.
Who please?
Customer.
Succulent. I love your skin.
I have tough skin, oh. Gorilla standard.
Thunder fire you.
Come right in.
But if you pay so,
I will.
God, the knack with you no good.
Come make you smile.
Tomorrow shower we dey do now. You don't go out to join them.
And I get fashion, oh.
I better take out my guy well.
Wait. Madam, wait. Madam, see my baby with another boy.
Out of me and you, one go take ground. Dead body go surplus.
Mickey. Who be this boy?
Wait.
Who be this guy?
Who is this?
That's movie this
It's not what you think.
Move that boy.
Because my baby is my life.
What is this? What's going on?
Customer beg no verse.
Okay.
And my baby this. You go help me go chop am for my house before we go hotel.
Ashawo, awusha, awusha, ashawo, ashawo.
Babes, what's up?
How far, babe? What's up now? Hi.
Madam, take am easy now.
Very well. You want to see crazy. It is in a play.
I want go find food chop, oh. You go chop.
If you buy for me now, I go chop.
Okay, I dey come.
Thank you.
Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on.
Wetin dey happen here now?
Come on, relax. Calm down. Our friend not follow you talk.
Nobody tell me anything.
You don't follow our reason. I say one package with you now. Normal level.
What do you mean by that?
Sorry, I know the package that kind thing. I beg. Now who carry me call now they follow package.
Alpha, you calm down.
Okay.
You don't tell and say we'll have something join the money we'll give you tomorrow, yeah? See, now one just do. Just one.
No problem.
Eh? Since where shall we begin the call the customer? I beg, come on your hands. In fact, call the go.
Sorry.
What for you?
Madam, why you dey short my money now? How much you dey give me?
Not be waiting we settle, not be I pay you.
You can't talk me down. Your friends will do me. Who go pay? They say they will give money, give me now.
My friends do you. They no tell me say they do you. Go meet them, make you collect your money for their hand. Now the one when I do now I pay for. And as you they come out, not thief anything no.
Thunder fire you.
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
These people don't like you. You're supposed to know them well, though.
If not be overdue, we're going to eventually put you for trouble.
Now wow. They don't knock me Osho free.
You're welcome to my humble abode.
But I beg go do fast, so I don't get time. Those now they work with time. If I start now, I go say I shall to the get pepper body. No get time.
Oh, why don't you go freshen up before we get to work?
But I wish kind sort with that one now. No, which kind of nonsense talk be that? Before you tell me now, see how the smell. Now, before you carry me for Joshua, I don't feel bad before I go work. And as I follow you talk like this now, I believe you should be the one to bait because as I enter here, the way you take the smell, all my life as a child, I never perceive this kind of smell once.
Whatever. Okay, fine. Let me go freshen up.
No problem.
The blood of Jesus. The Salopwa who do me like this.
What did you say?
Madam, I don't see anything.
What did you see?
Madam, I don't see anything.
I'm sorry for that.
Wow. My baby boy. You see this? That is how I make my money. Oh. You think you will just stand by the road and see wealthy, independent ladies to come pick you up and pay you? No, darling. You lazy youth. All you want to do is to be looking for the quick option, the easy way out. Is it not youth like you that pack boxes, phone packs and all that? They go as far as pushing wheelbarrows, doing legit hustle. But you know, you want the easy way out. Standing by the road, doing a shower, looking for independent ladies to pick you up. And you think it's every lady out there that has legit money? How much of a luxury life can legit money give to you? If I'm working hard, do you think I'll bother picking you up? That's the luxury that attracted you.
Madam, beg no verse. This is shower they do so, madam, a condition. I no plan, I'm not beside they enjoy them. But I promise you, madam, if you just feel leave me, make I go this time, madam. I swear, I don't go to a shower again.
What do you mean by that?
It's condition. And a shower is the only way out?
I wonder.
Oh, you lazy idiot. This is my ritual. It's time for renewal. I'm sorry you're the lucky victim. Go straight into that bed. Lie down. Spread it out so wide.
What do you mean by that?
And wait for mommy.
Mommy,
Because you will be sucking this. And this you will see here is what is also done. You will suck the both of them. You will so lick the both of
The
them.
Salopwa who do me like this.
5 good hours. I'm sorry you have no option, darling. So go straight into the bed and spread up very wide. Mommy's coming.
No, wow. Some people don't do zero.
Jesus!
Is he inside?
This man! Customer, check now.
Hey, easy. You. Yes.
Me?
Yes, you. How much for a night?
I'm around 30K for one night too.
Can I pay you 300K?
You think it's a joke?
Madam, beg no verse. Where your motor?
I didn't come with a car. I came by myself.
You no get car. And you won't pay me 300,000 for the night.
It's nothing.
No, I'll deal.
Hey, shut
Shake
down.
it.
Hey, your account number.
Mommy, still.
I'm sorry for all of you.
What bank?
Come pay.
Alright, Saints, you can check.
Madam, we go. My guy. Okay. Respect, eh? Is you?
Okay.
You're welcome to my house.
Now, wow.
But why you go throw me like that for bed?
Calm down. Calm down. I'll be very easy. Calm down.
Now because you pay better money. Oh. Madam, Madam. This woman come out, she no tell me. Where my boss house? Eh? Wait.
Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
We enter. Abi? She pushed me into her bed. I can't change her for her. I can't calm down. Then I can't pull my trouser, pull my boxers, put them for here. Where my boss? May not be with you, I think.
Just a play.
Make it not be waiting, I did think. Make her make her first.
Hello?
The calculation.
How far now?
You remember that one we carried me yesterday, Abi?
Uh-huh.
I wake up this morning and no see her. Okay, make I dress up me and come out. I no see my boss house.
Wait, oh, how much that woman pay you yesterday?
Na 300k she pay me.
I took her. Woman trek come. She no carry motor. She tell you say she won't pay you 300,000 naira for a night. That one not tell you something. The ritualist with that. Now then they do that kind of thing. See, this call drop and not they worry me.
Abi, she don't use me.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Ashawo, awusha, awusha, ashawo, ashawo, awusha, boom, boom.
Hey, madam. Where be this?
My house.
You mean your personal house?
This is one of my houses. And the smallest of all.
Oh, your husband try you.
Husband. I'm not married. I am single. I'm not even in any relationship. I stay here alone.
Only you dey stay for this big house? No now. At least you need somebody, you need company to dey follow you stay, you know?
Can we just get straight to business?
Madam, I fit help you carry your bag.
My bag?
No, what I no do. Nah, just help. I want your help. Unto sweet boy what I be.
No problem. Okay.
Sweet boy, fresh guy.
Yeah, have you eaten?
Madam, I do okay. I know they're hungry.
Come on, I have varieties of food in my house.
I'm not a man of food.
You can have anything.
I define. I define.
Are you sure?
And I just say, get what I would like to discuss with you.
Okay.
Not be say I really like this Ashawo work what they do.
What do you mean by that?
Nah, condition. Responsibility one shook me. I be firstborn out of 15. And I mean to take care of all these 14 people. You see? As I see you, I see how focused where you dey.
Shut up your mouth!
I don't know. I don't know whether I'll fit do one or two. Like, we don't build relationship.
You don't get high fever, I think.
Mommy, I dey lick plate too.
Now wow.
I dey lick plate.
You are bad guy.
May you take know how serious what I dey. This Ashawo you carry me for this night. Don't worry, not pay me. Do me as you like. Use me. Enjoy me.
In that case, I'll show you to the room where you freshen up and wait for me. Shall we?
Wakey, wakey. Good morning. Breakfast is ready.
Madam.
What's this?
Good morning, my lady.
You know me before.
Your breakfast is ready.
What are you still doing in my house?
Madam, we just newly start relationship.
What I trying to say?
Relationship? With who? It was just a one-night thing. Now before I close my eyes, just drop the scent and leave my house.
What do you mean? This relationship won't last 24 hours.
Get out!
Please now, 24,000.
Madam, my last price at 25,000. That day break you the price, will be you don't know the price.
Okay, well, let's go.
My brother, later now.
Yeah, and I enjoy.
Hope you treat me nicely. Hey, handsome. Come.
Madam, I dey come. Just give me 1 minute. Father, you go relax. I dey come. Just 1 minute.
You gotta trust man.
Customer, how you doing now?
Cool. Do you do short time?
Yes, I dey do short time.
Alright, then popping inside the car.
Madam, you carry another person, oh.
What do you mean?
Now you both want carry me, oh.
Thunder fire
They
you.
pay better money.
Just dey play.
Sure.
Hey, shut down. Who the Zuzu?
Hi.
You not see Spring waist before you follow Steve waist. They not come agree for you now. Now me take a second choice.
Well, don't be angry now.
If you want me to follow you home, I'll collect 70,000. Cause I thank you I don't collect before, but now things don't high.
Let me pay you 15 now.
Just gonna expect me call you.
Come in.
Madam, which kind thing? Why you go push me like that? As you push me, I come break spinal cord. What I go talk? When I beg, you go do fast. A short time now you pay for, and I work with time. Not when I go start, when I go say, I shall to get pepper body. Madam, I beg pay me my they come out.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, that's it.
My money now 15,000 for short time. Why they give me 5K?
What do you mean? That's the complete money.
Madam, no use me play. You complete my money. Make her they come out. You they hear me?
Be like say they craze. Something they worry you, Abi. I shall where they carry for up at 3,000. Then for no my yo 1,500. Then they tell me say 15,000. You ain't meant. Okay, carry this 5,000. Come on here. You still there here? You make I put call.
No be all white. Be foreign.